Hey guys, I'm Morphil, and this is another unboxing. Now, I won this giveaway from YouTuber Squidboy Toys. I will put a link to his channel down below. So, let's get started. Let me just do like this. Raise the camera up a little. Sorry guys, I have to do this on my phone. I always have problem opening these boxes. Okay, so let's see what I got. So first up is an NVS changer from Lupat. With a red dye fire. Next up, if I can get this out of the bubble wrap, ring trigger. Next up, is the Go phone from GoAndroid. I wonder if this still works. Now the engine soul mode doesn't work. Probably have to replace the battery. Next up is some Digimon. Oh, not Digimon. Yokai Watch stuff. And here's the little things to go with it. So, yeah. Thank you, Squidboy, for this awesome giveaway. If you want to subscribe to him, the link to his channel will be in the description below. So, yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bells to get notified when I upload a new video. And I see you in the next one.